Long before sustainable development became a fashionable concept, the Lemaire family had earned its livelihood from recycling at Drummond Pulp Fibre, the household and industrial waste recovery company it had founded in 1957. What most consumers saw as nothing more than a landfill was a hidden treasure to Antonio Lemaire. He tested the first recycled paper recipes himself, using his wife Bernadette's blender. In 1964, Bernard Lemaire and his brother Laurent launched their new business with the entire community's support and the help of Caisse Populaire Desjardins. They gave a new life to a disused mill in Kingsey Falls, where they produced paper from recycled fibers. This marked the birth of Papier Cascade paper. 3 years later, Alain Lemaire officially joined his older brothers at the helm of the company. They also set up a profit-sharing program that year, redistributing a portion of the company's profits to all employees who played a key role in relaunching the old paper mill. When Cascade celebrated its 5th anniversary in 1969, the company was already on a roll. Sales had almost tripled, and the number of cascaders had grown from 25 to 43.